Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my subscriber and you're watching, thank you for watching. Congratulations to Annelem Doda. She just got married by traditional wedding. It was not a white wedding. Maybe there is one white wedding behind closed doors because there are just some celebrities. They are so private when it comes to their marriage life. So they're just going to show you like a bit that now they are taken. So yeah, guys, congratulations to her. You're going to see her in these beautiful pictures with her man. She looks happy, they look gorgeous. She got married to a very handsome man. So, yeah, she's happy. And she's so confident. She's not ashamed of her man. She's showing us that no, this one now, he is taken. Stay away from him. He is taken. So, yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.